The Triple Tree Stainless Steel Manual Coffee Grinder. How to assemble. Please note that there are two black washers that are part of the coffee grinder and that they are both the same. One side of the washer has a square shape. This part should be going in last when inserting it through the bottom of the metal rod. Take the metal rod and slide it in through the top of the hopper. Slide in the other black washer from the bottom of the rod with its square side going in first. Then slide in the spring. Then the metal washer with its four small legs going in first. And then the ceramic burr. Screw in the adjustment knob at the end with its flat side going in last. Then put on the steel cover, container, and handle. Assembly complete. How to adjust the grind. Locate the adjustment knob. Turning it clockwise will give it a finer grind, while turning it counterclockwise will give it a coarser grind. In this video, we will adjust the grind to the finest grind. After adding in your preferred coffee beans or grains and placing the cover and handle back, you are ready to grind. Make sure to always grind clockwise, because going the other way may damage the ceramic burr. Make steady and consistent turns for the beans to grind thoroughly. Grinding may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. How to take apart coffee grinder for cleaning. First, remove the container, then hold down the handle to unscrew the adjustment knob. After it is removed, take out all the small parts that are on the metal rod. This includes the ceramic burr, the metal washer, and the spring. Remove the handle in order to take out the black washer inside. After that, remove the metal rod from the top of the hopper, and then the other black washer. Cleaning the coffee grinder parts. It is recommended to plug the bottom of the sink before washing the parts so as to not lose any of them. You can keep the smaller parts in one area to keep track of where they are. When washing, make sure to use a light detergent or dish soap. The ceramic burr is made of two parts and can be separated by squeezing the black tongs that it has at the top, which will pop out the black piece. Rinse thoroughly after all parts are washed. Completely dry the parts before next use. Make sure to hear a click when putting the black piece back into the ceramic burr. Thank you for watching.